Today guys, I'm going to show you how to scalp using one time frame. Let's get into it. Since we are going to scalp, we are going to be using only one time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. And here we are. The price is bearish. It is going down. It is in a downtrend. So because this is lower low and this is lower high. So the price is in a bearish downtrend. The first step is to identify the trend direction. Of course, on the 15 minutes time frame, because that is the only time frame we are going to be using. So the trend direction is bearish. What is the next step? The next step is to mark up our point of interest. This is our point of interest. This is our point of interest right here. Why do we mark up this point of interest? It is because price created a breakout structure here. It created a breakout structure here, guys. So when the price creates a breakout structure here, we know this is the confirmation that price is going to come back to retest this lower high and continue going down. So this is our point of interest. What is the next step? The next step is to wait for price to come back at our point of interest, to come back. When the price reaches our point of interest, we don't enter immediately. We have to wait for confirmation, then we enter. What is the confirmation we wait? We want to get the good confirmation. So we have this, the big bearish engulfing candlestick, big red candlestick, this. So this is the confirmation that tells us that sellers are now in the market. They are going to take price down. So when you get this big bearish engulfing candlestick, you enter here, you enter, make sure you press your stop loss above this lower high, and you take profit at the next lower low. This is the lower low right here. Yeah, we have a lower low right here. You can even press it right here. Yeah, but this is the right price here. Yeah, but this, even you can enter this trade on the 5 minutes time frame, but for me, I'm showing you how to use the only one time frame, which is 15 minutes. But if you can enter on the 5 minutes time frame, if you are scalping, or 1 minute time frame, you can get a good high risk to reward ratio trade. So this is it. So this guys, as you can see here, when the price crashed down, created a breakout structure here, again a breakout structure here, went up again to retest this lower high again, and then it started crashing down. So guys, this is a live market right here. This is a live market. So now I'm just waiting for price to come back. I don't know whether the price will come back or not. I've been waiting for price to come back. When the price come back and reaches this lower high, I will enter. Now let me show you another example. Now here's another example. The price is in an uptrend. Remember, our first step is to identify the trend direction. on the 15-minute time frame, of course. So the price is in an uptrend. It is bullish because it goes up, comes down, and goes up. So here there is a breakout structure here. Yeah, there is a breakout structure right here. So here, since we have a breakout structure, we have to go to our next step, which is step 2, is to mark up our point of interest. This, because this is the original price point that created this breakout structure right here. So you mark up your point of interest and you be patient to wait for price to come back to your point of interest. When the price reaches your point of interest, when you see these small candlesticks, you don't enter, because this is not the confirmation we want to see. So don't just enter these small candlesticks. Don't just enter until you get the big bullish engulfing candlestick. So here we are still being patient to wait. Yeah, we are still waiting for the big bullish engulfing candlestick, and here you can enter for a buy after getting this big green candlestick. So here you enter, you press your stop loss. Always press and set your stop loss first. You press your stop loss below this higher low and you target this higher high. Yeah, you target this higher high. Yeah, that is the right place to press your take profit. Yeah, and guys, if you can see very clearly, when the price goes up, let me show you right here. Let me show you. When the price goes up, it created a breakout structure right here. Yeah, it created a breakout structure here. So the price again, it came down again to retest this higher low, the original price point that created this breakout structure here. So here you can enter for another buy position, because here you have a confirmation, the big green candlestick, bullish engulfing candlestick. So here you can enter again you press your stop loss below this higher low, and again you press your take profit at the same price point. Yeah, at the same higher high. This is 1 to 3.35 risk to reward ratio trade. This is good one. So guys, that's how we do it. Always remember to be patient. Don't forget patience, because without patience you cannot trade. You cannot make money in trading. So remember this. Patience is your edge. See you in the next one.